Question number 3. The present age of Salil's mother is 3 times Salil's present age. So we will pick out the last word what is written. Salil's present age. So we will take it X. Let Salil's present age is equal to X years. Read the sentence again. The present age of Salil's mother. Mother is how many times? 3 times. Mother is 3 times. So therefore, Salil's mother present age. They have told 3 times. If it is 3 times, then I will write 3x. We will multiply 3 with x because it is written 3 times. After 5 years, their ages will add up to 70. So first of all, let us see after 5 years. After 5 years, we will take Salil's age. Because it is after 5 years, so Salil was x year initially. Salil's age was x. After 5 years, his age will become x plus 5 years. Because it is after, the age will increase. Similarly, after 5 years, mother's age, earlier mother was 3x. After 5 years, her age will also increase 5. Because right now, suppose my age is 45. So after 5 years, I'll be 50. It is not that after 5 years only my age will increase. Every year, every child age will increase. So after 5 years, my age will increase 5. Your age will also increase 5. So adding 5 to both of them. Adding 5 to Salil's age. Even adding 5 to mother's age. Because after 5 years, both their ages will increase by 5 years. Now this will add up to 70. Add means if I add these two, Salil's age after 5 years, adding mother's age after 5 years, Salil's age after 5 years, plus mother's age after 5 years, the total is 70. Now x plus 3x, 4x, 5 plus 5, 10 is equal to 70. Therefore, 4x is equal to 70. Plus 10 will go that side, minus 10. So finally, 4x is equal to 70 minus 10 is 60. 4 will be divided. X is equal to 60 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 15s are. So my final answer of x is 15. Find their present ages. I have to find both their age, right? Here, the answer of x is 15. So I will write Salil's present age is x and x is 15 years. Similarly, Salil's mother present age. Salil's mother present age. Mother's age is 3x. Present age is 3x. It means 3 multiplied by x 15. 15 3s are 45. So her mother is 45 years.